Hello there and welcome to UK Lockpickers. If you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. And this is going to be the quick demonstration today for the Sparrows handcuff shims. You get 4 in a pack. And this is going to be the demonstration today. All you do, police genuine handcuffs, is you get one of your shims and you put it down the side of this handcuff where all the teeth join together. So we just slip that in and pull. Show you that one more time. And pull. And for demonstration purposes, I can show you actually what is going on in these handcuffs when we insert the shim. So we insert the shim, and keep your finger on the shim and pull back. There you go. Effortless and so simple. Sparrows handcuff shims. Thanks for watching and see you next time.